Pythagoras' Theorem of the Dog. He is one of the best known characters in history. He was a Greek mathematician and philosopher who lived between 580 before Christ and 495 before Christ. He made great contributions in numerous fields, such as astronomy and music, as well as, of course, philosophy and mathematics. Many experts believe that Pythagoras was the most complete first mathematician in history. There are many mysteries that surround his life, and there were even those who considered him a madman who heard voices. What there is no doubt is that he was the first to establish a relationship between mathematics and music. A set of ordered figures that form or simulate the body of a dog, the figures that compose it are triangles and squares, whose characteristics perfectly comply with the Pythagorean theorem. If we carefully observe each of them and take measurements, we will reach the conclusion that they are exact. To carry out the following demonstration, a right triangle must be drawn with the small side down, base side A. Next side that forms the 90 degrees on the right side and the hypotenuse on the left side, side C, and the other one was in side B. Once the triangle has been drawn, it must be borne in mind that the following equation will be carried out. This will form a little square taking it from the bottom of side A of the original triangle. We will make another square with the equation. A diagonal line will be made from the lower right corner of square A squared to square B squared in the lower right corner. This line is side C. We'll draw the line from side A to side of the lower right corner of square B squared. From that line, it will be broken down by drawing line B. Line A and B will be repositioned so that they form a 90 degrees angle. Lines will be joined again. The lower right corner of square B squared together with the point of intersection that was formed with the line B and A, forming the line C. Total, 4 triangles will be formed with an area of each of. All 4 together in total are. In turn, they will be completed to form a bigger square, which will be which at the same time gives an equivalence of c squared plus 2ab. The letters will be placed on each side to identify them, and the proof of the Pythagorean theorem can be carried out. Then we develop the equation. This is how we came to demonstrate the Pythagorean theorem through this proof that we name it little dog. So at the end we can put ears, tail, nose and nail on it, because of the similarity of its shape to that of a dog.